Imagine saving up to $231,900 over the life of your mortgage by implementing just a few key strategies. It sounds incredible, right? But it is entirely possible, and I'm about to show you how. What if you could cut your interest payments dramatically, secure better mortgage terms, and take full advantage of prepayment privileges? Well, in this video, I'm about to show you 10 proven strategies to help you unlock massive savings on your home mortgage. And by the way, if you'd like a free copy of my book, Canadian Mortgage Secrets, I've put a link in the description box below so that you can download it today. Now, real quick, before we dive into these 10 strategies, if you're new to this channel, my name is Glen Hopkins, and I create videos all about Canadian real estate and my local market of Surrey and White Rock, BC. So if that's something you're interested in, please go ahead, subscribe to the channel now, and that way you're not going to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Also, if you'd like my help with either buying or selling a home here in the Surrey or White Rock area, there is a link in the description box below where you can schedule a call with me. And if you're anywhere else in Canada and you need a referral to a fantastic agent, don't worry, I've got you covered. I know amazing agents throughout the country, and I can gladly connect you with them. All right, so let's get into it. The simplest and most effective way to save money on your mortgage is to shop around for the best interest rates. Now, don't just settle for the first offer that the bank gives you. Different lenders offer different rates and different terms, so it's crucial to compare offers from multiple sources. For example, if you're looking at a $400,000 mortgage at 4.39%, the monthly payment would be approximately $2,179. Now, at a 4.84% interest rate, the monthly payment would be around $2,249. That's a difference of $70 per month, which translates to $840 per year, or $21,000 over a 25-year period. So it's really important that you take the time to compare and save a bundle. Next, you want to consider shorter amortization periods. A longer amortization period means lower monthly payments, but higher interest over the life of your loan. Opting for a shorter amortization period can significantly reduce the amount of interest that you're going to pay. So for a $400,000 mortgage at 4.39% interest rate over a 25-year amortization, the total interest paid would be $263,700. Now, when you compare that to a 20-year amortization, the total interest paid would be $202,300. That's a potential savings of $61,400 in interest. Imagine what you could do with that extra cash. The third strategy is to make extra payments whenever possible. Now, making extra payments on your mortgage principal whenever possible can drastically cut down on your interest that you pay over the life of your loan. And even a small additional payment can make a big difference. For instance, paying an extra $100 per month on a $400,000 mortgage at 4.39%, well, without any extra payments, total interest paid would be $263,700. With the extra payments, the total interest paid would be $247,200. Now that's a savings of $16,500 in interest, and you'll pay off your mortgage 3 years earlier. By the way, do me a favor and hit that like button, would you? It just takes a second, and it really helps me get the word out to other people just like you looking for this type of information. All right, now number 4 is to increase your payment frequency. By switching from monthly to bi-weekly payments, it means you make just one extra payment per year, which can significantly reduce the interest payments and help you pay off your mortgage that much faster. By switching to bi-weekly payments on a $400,000 mortgage at 4.39% interest rate, your monthly payments would be $2,179. Now, if you do bi-weekly payments, your payments would be $1,089.50. Now, this results in one extra payment per year, saving you approximately, drumroll, $25,000 in interest over the life of your mortgage. And did you realize that you can negotiate the terms of your mortgage? This includes not only the interest rate, but also the other fees and conditions. By negotiating a reduction of just 0.1% on a $400,000 mortgage, you could save approximately $6,000 over a 25-year amortization period. So never be afraid to ask for better terms. Next up is to take advantage of prepayment privileges. Now, most mortgages come with prepayment privileges, which are going to allow you to pay extra towards your principal without incurring any penalties. So take advantage of these options whenever possible. If you use your prepayment privileges to pay an additional, say, $5,000 annually on a $400,000 mortgage at 4.39% interest rate, you could save, get this, around $34,000 in interest. Not bad, right? And just a quick reminder, if you'd like a free copy of my book, Canadian Mortgage Secrets, that talks all about this stuff, I put a link in the description box below where you can download it for free. All right, so let's move along to strategy number 7, which is to stay informed about interest rates and refinance at the right time. Now, refinancing your mortgage when interest rates are lower can save you a substantial amount of money. However, I want you to make sure that you calculate the costs associated with refinancing to ensure that it is going to be a beneficial move for you. Refinancing a $400,000 mortgage from 4.84% to 4.39% can save you approximately $20,000 over the remaining of your term. Furthermore, timing your mortgage at the optimal rate can save you at least 0.1% on a $400,000 mortgage, which amounts to approximately $6,000 over a 25-year period. Strategy number 8 is to use a mortgage broker. Mortgage brokers have access to multiple lenders, and they can often secure better rates and terms than you might be able to do on your own. So, their expertise can be invaluable in finding the best mortgage for your personal needs. And if a mortgage broker might be able to secure a rate that is 0.1% lower than what you might be able to do yourself, that would save you around $6,000 over the life of a $400,000 mortgage. Number 9 is to improve your credit score. Your credit score is going to play a significant role in your interest rate that you qualify for. So improving your credit score before applying for a mortgage can help you secure a lower rate. So improving your credit score to secure, say, a 0.25% lower rate on a $400,000 mortgage could save you approximately $15,000 over a 25-year amortization period. And finally, number 10 is to get a mortgage pre-approval. Getting a mortgage pre-approval before you start house hunting, it's going to give you a clear picture of how much you can actually afford. And this is going to help you secure also a rate hold and strengthen your position when negotiating with sellers. Think about it. Just suppose you get approved for a $400,000 mortgage at a rate of 4.39%. And during your 90-day rate hold period, the market rates increase to 4.84%. By locking in at the lower rate, you avoid the higher rate and you save money over the life of your loan. At 4.39%, your monthly payment would be $2,179. And at 4.84%, your monthly payment would be $2,249. So this rate lock saves you $70 per month, which adds up to $840 per year or $21,000 over a 25-year amortization period. Now, chances are you're not going to be able to implement each and every one of these 10 strategies. And of course, the amount of your mortgage and the rate that you're going to pay will vary from the example that we've used here in this video. But for illustration purposes, with this example, if you were to able to implement all 10 strategies, the total savings would be, get this, $231,900. That is a massive, massive savings. So the question becomes, after looking at each of these strategies, how many of these 10 strategies do you think that you can personally implement? Go ahead, leave a comment below, share your thoughts, share your experiences. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm always happy to help however I can. Otherwise, I will see you on the next video.